Hi, my name is Michaela Harris. I'm with Timberlake Marketing. I just wanted to give you a quick 5-minute video just to show you some things that you could be doing to help get you some more customers through online methods. So first off, I want to say that your website looks great. I'm going to start by showing you, this is your Google Business Profile. This is one of the first things that people are going to see when they try to look up businesses in your area. And I went by the fact that you're a home builder in Phenix City, Alabama. And I will show you, when I pull up home builders in Phenix City on Google, customers are going to see businesses on the first page and within 3 sections. They're either going to see your business in ads that you pay for, or they're going to see you in this map section. These top 3 spaces are the best, obviously, because they're the first ones that you see without having to click on it. And then they're also going to see anybody who's listed down here in the organic section. Now ads can also show up down here as well. So what I want to point out is that to get up here in this map section, you need to optimize your business profile. And all that is you're going into your Google Business Profile, the one I just had pulled up, this right here. And you're going to go in and you're going to add photos, make sure those photos save as keywords, which I'll explain in a minute. And then you can go and get citations, which is basically other websites that refer back to your company, and it refers back to your company's exact name and address. So all you need to go do is go put your company's name and address on sites like Yelp, Home Advisor, things like that. Any citations that you can get are going to help. The next thing is you want to show up in this organic section down here. So this is super important. This is where your website comes into play. You can't be in the organic section without having a website unless you're on something like Houzz or Yelp or something along those lines. But again, having your website on that first page is going to generate a lot of traffic for you. So if we go pull up your website, you can see here, if you look and see how many words that you have just shy of 400. My first recommendation is going to be going in here and getting 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. And on this homepage, you're going to be utilizing keywords as well. So not only can you put these keywords into your content, but you can also put them behind pictures. So if I come over here and I save this image, it's saving as some kind of weird name. So you could save, if you can get these images saved as keywords, that's going to help Google rank you better. The reason being is Google reads everything on the page, not just the words, but the words behind images. So if I pull up your top competitor, which was the first person on that organic section, the first company that's a true competitor that's not Yelp or Home Advisor. If I pull up their website, you can see it's not really as high quality as yours. Like, honestly, yours looks better. But the difference is, if you pull up your website in this tool we call Ahrefs, it's going to give you information about it. And as you can see, we don't have hardly any information backing your website. So how you know what to do is, again, you need to go in there, put more content, and it wouldn't hurt to have service page or different pages for different areas. So if you were not only in Phenix City, but if you're also in Smith Station, Columbus, Auburn, Opelika, any of those areas, you can put those in as separate pages and rank in those areas as well. So to know which keywords to use, we plug in your top competitor's website into the same tool, and we can see that they're not very powerful, they're not very trustworthy, they're not that great of a website. Not hard to beat either. But see, they're getting 20 people visiting their website every month that your website could be getting, but isn't. So there's 20 potential clients. So how you know which keywords to use, you can go in here, click this right here, and you can see everything that they rank for. So Phenix City, Alabama home builders. That could be just something that you put in there in the middle of your content. 50 people search that every month. They're position number 3 for that. Again, Yelp, and I think Houzz is above them. But you can take any of these keywords that they rank for and you can see how many people are actually searching for that. See, home builders in Auburn, even though you're not technically in Auburn, you're close enough that you could put that as a location page, and that's 200 searches every month. So you can go in and do this for any of your competitors, and then you can also come back up here and look at their backlinks that they have, and you can submit your company to these backlinks to get these same backlinks. What you want to do is take whatever your competitor's doing and do it better. That's what's going to get you ranked on that first page, and that's what's going to get you a lot more traffic. Now, you could go the route of doing this yourself, or you could go the route of hiring a company like mine. It's completely up to you. Ultimately, I just hope this video gave you a little bit of knowledge to help out your business. Feel free to call me if you have any questions. Thank you.